Hello everyone. Welcome to today's daily current affairs for 5th March 2026. In this video we will discuss the most important news from newspapers like the Hindu and Enadu. These topics are very useful for competitive exams such as UPSC, TSPSC, SSC and other government exams. India has signed defense deals worth around 5,000 crore rupees to make this maritime security stronger. Maritime security simply means the protecting the country's sea borders and the routes used by the ships. India depends a lot on ships for international trade. Many important goods travel through the sea routes, especially crude oil. In fact, around 85% of the crude oil used in India comes through the ships itself. So, protecting these sea routes is very important for the country's economy and energy needs. These new defense deals will help the Indian Navy improve monitoring at sea, strengthen the security, and keep important shipping routes safe. A related concept here is Operation Sankalp. This operation was started by Indian Navy in 2019 to protect Indian merchant ships in the Gulf region. These ships travel through important areas like Strait of Hormuz, the Gulf of Oman, and the Gulf of Aden. These sea routes are very important because large amount of world's oil pass through them. Through Operation Sankalp, Indian Navy sends its warships to escort and protect the Indian cargo ships. This helps ensure that Indian ships travel safely even during the times of tension or conflict. Right next to India, Nepal is voting today in its general election. In the past few months, the country has seen protests and political instability. This election is important because it will decide who forms the next government and how stable the Nepal will be in coming years. For India, this matters a lot because India and Nepal share an open border and strong cultural and economic ties. So, political stability in Nepal is important for trade, security, and peace between two countries. Political parties in different states are preparing for Rajya Sabha elections. Party leaders are holding meetings to decide which candidates they will nominate. Members of Indian Parliament of Upper House, that is Rajya Sabha, are not elected directly by the public. Instead, they are elected by the elected MLAs of the state legislative assemblies. These elections matter because Rajya Sabha reviews and helps the laws made by the Lok Sabha. The government of India started the ASMITA League to encourage women and girls to take part in sports. Competitions are being held in about 250 places across India during International Women's Day celebrations on March 8th. Events include running races like 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters. The goal is to motivate women to play sports and to find talented athletes from different regions. Asmita stands for achieving sports milestone by inspiring women through action. The program started in 2021 and many women from different districts have already participated. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe for daily current affair videos.